Hey guys, LaMonster here at LaMonster Garage, and we're going to show you a install of our belt tensioner. This is on a 2020 RT. It'd be the same for 2020, 21, 22. This tensioner actually works on all F3s, all 1330 RTs, including the newer models. We take all the panels off all the way to the ground on the 2020. It's a little more work. I still have the floorboard on. If you're doing an install on this floorboard's got to come off to get the bottom panel off. The only reason we don't have to do it is we have our floorboard risers on this, which allows us to do a little trickery. So we don't. It's one step that we don't have to do. It's 3 bolts. It's not a big deal to take this off. But anyway, if you say, hey, I tried to get mine off and you had the floorboards on and I can't get mine off, well, that's why. So anyway, the tensioner is going to bolt right here to the frame. This is the peg mount in the frame. The install is pretty straightforward. You got a spacer that goes in here. This frame may or may not move a little bit on you. This one doesn't move at all. On another video, I showed where you can just take a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and just tweak it a little bit to get the bolt started. This one we don't need to. Basically, we can just drop it in and go. So it's going to go right like that. Get that one started. Like that, and get that one started. And these are starting by hand, so I didn't show taking the old ones out. Obviously you got to take them out to put this one on. So a 13mm wrench on this socket. You're just going to snug them up loosely till you get in a line. And you want to pull this to square it up as best you can. And what I try and do is I look at this bracket right here. Right here, it's hard with the lighting, but the edge of this bracket, you want to make sure that it's square with the belt, and that should put this roller full contact on the belt. Once you get that and you like it, just go ahead and snug it down, hold it to make sure it doesn't move while you're doing it. And that's it. Make sure it's free, and that's it. So this puts it in a good spot on the belt. Almost dead center, and basically it'll knock down all that vibration that people complaining about. If you have a 2021 or newer RT, there's a chance that you already have a belt tensioner on there. This is an upgrade from that. It's up to you. If you buy one and say, hey, I already got one, well, you don't have one of these. This is a step up from what comes on the bike. So anyway, that's it, and hope you enjoy.